So hello beautiful people, how are you all doing? So what you're seeing here is not pancake. This is oatmeal that I used to fry this egg here. Guys, this was so delicious here. So with this recipe you need few ingredients here. So you need your oatmeal, so you can use any oatmeal of your choice here. So you need your eggs, vegetables. So I have yellow bell pepper, I have onions, I have tomatoes here. I didn't have a lot of things in the house, so these are the things I have. So I'm going to make good use of the things I have here. So to start, you're going to soak your oatmeal in hot water here, not too much water here. So add a little bit of hot water and just stir. As you can see, don't add too much or else your eggs is not going to come out, your fried egg is not going to come out good here. So once you are done, just mix it or stir it and then add a little bit of the hot water again, and then you are going to cover it and allow it sit for 5 minutes here. By mine, I was doing something else, so it took more than 5 minutes here. So once you are done, as I said, just cover it and leave it here for 5 minutes. So with that time you can start prepping your things here. With me, I prepped everything before I started here. So as you can see, so you leave it for 5 minutes. So once the 5 minutes elapsed, just stir it and just proceed here with the next step here. So the next step, as you can see, is looking so beautiful here. So the next step, I'm going to get a bigger bowl that I'm going to crack my eggs here. So I use 2 eggs. So if you want more, you can use more eggs depending on the amount of eggs you want here. So I'm going to be using 2 here. So here is me cracking my eggs. So once I'm done, I'm going to add my vegetables here. So here, as I said, I have the yellow bell pepper, I have tomatoes and onions here. So once I'm done, I'm going to add salt and then pepper here, chili pepper here. So after, then you add your oatmeal here, the oatmeal that you soaked here, you add it and then you're going to stir here. So when you feel like it's very thick, you can add milk here. So I'm going to add soya milk at some point here. So just stir until all the lumps just break down here, so that when you fry the egg, it will be lumps here. Just use your fork or your spoon to just break it here. So as you can see, I'm going to add this soya milk, and after I'm going to stir and loosen it a little bit because we don't want it very thick here. So once you are done stirring, then at this point I already have my pot or my pan on the fire here. So we are going to be frying this. Guys, this was so delicious here. Guys, sorry for my voice. I'm down with flu here. UK weather, guys, it's not been easy here. I'm very sick here, but I still have to put a video out there here. So here I'm going to be using olive oil. So at some point the oil was a lot, but don't worry, this is olive oil. It's very healthy, so it doesn't matter here. So here, once your oil is hot, then you pour in gently your paste here. So once you are done, use your fork to flatten it. Then you're going to cover it and cook this down on a medium heat here. Make sure you don't cook it on a high heat here. So cover it here, as you can see here, and allow the bottom part to cook here. Once it has cooked, then you use a bowl, you cover it and you flip it here. That's the best way, because if you use anything to flip it, it's going to break it, it's going to scatter apart. So use your bowl as you see me doing. So here, after flipping here, then you're going to cover it again and allow the other part to also cook here. Guys, as you can see, this is looking so yummy. Guys, it was so delicious here. I don't know, I'm sick, so anything that comes to my mind, guys, I'm craving like things that I said, would this be possible? At some point I didn't know that this would be possible, but guys, it was possible. It was delicious. Instead of eating bread in the morning, do this here, and this is very healthy. You know, oatmeal is very healthy. So this is the results, guys. It was so yummy, very, very delicious, guys. So here I'm going to be having this with zobo tea here, or zobo drink here. I'm down with flu, guys, so your girl is very sick here. Myself and my daughter, we are all sick here. I'm down with flu here. So I'm going to be drinking this with the zobo here, guys, or hibiscus leaves drink. That's what I'm going to be drinking. So you can pair this with your tea, anything here. But guys, this was so delicious. I decided to share with you here. So if you're out and you're looking for a different recipe this 2025, then I recommend this to you. Stop eating bread, throw away your bread, and instead do this here, and it's very yummy here. If you have watched this video to this part, please don't forget to share this recipe so that a lot of people will also see and do this, because it was yummy. Thank you for watching. Bye.